This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Mary Edwards. Explore the possibilities. This quaint 1,600 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath bungalow with separate 432 square feet cottage is waiting for a new owner who is ready to renovate and restore this unique property. Located in a neighborhood of charming homes, you will love how close you will be to downtown Bloomington, schools, the IU campus, Bryan Park and the new Switchyard Park. The main level includes a living room, dining room, kitchen, full bath, bedroom and half-bath and hardwood floors. The upper level is an open loft with a bedroom and study area. There is a covered carport for off-street parking and a covered front porch for relaxing. This is an estate sale and the property is being sold as is. This is an opportunity to own a property in a desirable neighborhood, so don't wait too long.